Well, hello world. It's Kami Daya, and thank you for tuning in for another video of mine. So for today's video, I'm finally getting around to playing with this bad boy right here. I do want to dive into this one just because I bought it, so I want to use it. I'm not a wasteful person. I don't like to buy things and throw it away, or I don't even like to throw away leftovers. So, but yeah, enough rambling. If you want to see the look that I'm going to create, then keep on watching. Okay, so we're going to take the palette Ring the Alarm, and we're going to take the shade Rush and Mugshot, and we're going to use this as our transition shade, and that's just right above your crease right here. And I'm just going to go in small circular motions to blend this out. You go back and forth, and you're going to keep dipping into the palette to build it up to your intensity. How is everyone's day going? Is it good, bad, great, meh? Did you see someone won the Mega Millions? One winner. One winner. Oh wait, by the time you see this, it'll be like next week. Maybe we shouldn't talk about that. And then I'm going to go in with Framed, and I'm going to take that same brush, and I'm going to put this more in, I'm going to put this in my crease and on the, like, the outer corner. And I'm just going to keep blending. Sorry, I'm paying attention to what Cody is doing. So yeah, my hair is just not as curly as I would like it to be. And I don't know, I don't know what to do. Do you have any suggestions on how to fix my hair? My hair's thinned out pretty much in the front. I know that has to do with pulling my hair back, pregnancy and all that jazz, but it is annoying. I'm bringing Framed a little bit more in onto my lid. Guys, I'm still shocked that we've been married for 12 years. Okay, so usually I would go in with a makeup remover and clean off the lid, but for today I'm not wanting to do that. I'm just going to take my my Tarte Shape Tape, and I'm going to lightly cut the crease, and nothing too defined, just, I don't know, subtle, I guess you would say. Just going in very lightly. Okay, and then I'm just diffusing the outer edge right here so that it's not so harsh. Alright, so now I'm going to take my Sigma E56, it's a flat shader brush, and I'm going to go in with the shade Boom, the shade right here, and I'm going to apply this to where I put concealer. Bless you. That was Cece, our dog. Did I tell you what her breed was? She is half, oh my gosh, why am I drawing a black? A blank. She's half, why do I have Shih Tzu in my mind? She's not a Shih Tzu. Oh my goodness, I can't remember. Oh my gosh, it's gonna, Dachshund. She's a Dachshund. So she's half Dachshund and half Lab, right? Crazy. So she has like this like broad, you can't even see what I'm doing. She has like a broad chest. But she's long like a Dachshund would be. She's very stocky. Okay, next I'm going to go in with Siren on that same brush. And I'm just going to apply this right in between Framed and, what is that, Boom? Yeah, Boom. Just so that they blend together. I'm going in with a little bit of more Boom. And I'm going to like drag this on top ever so slightly. Okay, so that's pretty much the eye look. I'm gonna go ahead and clean up the shadow and apply some lashes, and I'll be right back. Alright, moving right along, I'm gonna take Wet n Wild's Precious Petals, and I'm just going to hit this on my cheekbones, my Cupid's bow, the bridge of my nose, just everywhere. My nose, like I said. Cupid's bow. Sorry if you can hear the noise in the background. I picked my kids up from school, so they're home now. We'll put it right here. Some right there. I'm just going in with a pencil brush like this so I can do my line right here on the center. I'm gonna do under my brow bone. I'm thinking about doing glitter, adding glitter to my eyes, but I don't know. Use this for the inner corner highlight, bring it down a little bit underneath. Right there. Alright, so let's go back to our eyes. I'm going to take this shade right here. It's Secret. And I'm taking it on a flat definer brush, and I'm going to put this in my my waterline as well as right underneath my lashes. And because I don't want this in my contacts like I did the other day, I'm going to be pulling it down just a little bit. Just go right here. Cody's getting into stuff he's not supposed to. What is new? Alright, now we're going to grab Framed. And I'm taking this on a pencil brush. It's the Morphe E18. And I'm just going to smoke out the bottom lash line. So I want it more concentrated on the outer eye than I do in my inner corner of my eye. So when I get closer to my middle, to the center, and then inner, I just be more light-handed. Alright, I'm going to grab a flat shader brush like this, and I'm going to take that shade Boom. Yeah, we're going to take Boom again, and I'm going to put this in my, right here towards the front of my bottom lash line. So I forgot a tight line, so I'm just taking Secret on a angled brush, and I'm just going to go in rather quickly. Should I add glitter or should I not add glitter? That is the question. I think I got some shadow on my, shadow on my contacts. So should I add glitter or should I not? I'm trying to decide. I think I'm going to do this and maybe do the glitter after. So I'm going to take pictures of both, just in case, if I don't like it. Okay, so for lips, I'm going to take this Wet n Wild's Liquid Catsuit in Give Me Mocha. Okay, so this completes the look. Do I like the palette? No, I actually don't. It's my least favorite out of the 4 from the Vault collection. I don't even really like this look because it's just, I mean, it's basic. There's really nothing like bam in your face to it, but it is what it is, and I still hope that you enjoyed this video. Since you made it this far, you might as well subscribe and hit that notification bell so you get notified each and every time that I upload a new video. Don't forget to like and comment, share this video with everyone and anyone, and until next time. Bye guys. Oh my gosh! My lower lashes. I didn't do my lower lashes. So no, this video is not done. Where's my mascara? I can't believe I forgot it. I'm just taking Rimmel's Lash Accelerator. So after filming, I felt like this look needed something to give it that extra like oomph to it. So I grabbed my Urban Decay Heavy Metal Liner in Midnight Cowboy and I just put that in my crease, just in the front portion. But I hope you like it, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye guys.